Oggi più importante per noi, secondo me, è la mentalità prima di partita. Dobbiamo giocare insieme con ritmo, con buona difesa e oggi in attacco c'è più ritmo e quando c'è più ritmo più tiri facili. Scafati è una buona squadra, un playoff squadra, ma oggi noi, secondo me, prima partita, la mentalità di inizio subito con difesa, con in attacco aggressivo, and non lo so come si dice, but make the first punch. Importante per noi. I agree. I think the key to this team, the reason why we're having success is because we have good players. Obviously good coaching, but we have good players as well, and guys are ready to make shots. Guys are ready for the opportunity. Today, Luka was ready, and he punished their help defense. It's really hard to stop one player and try to win the game. And today was a classic example of what our team is capable of doing. I know we score 70 points normally, but if we're shooting well and the court there's a lot of spacing, it's difficult for teams to guard every player. So I think today I was a good example of what we're capable of doing. It is, but we're passionate about the process of this championship, and there's not a time for us to sit back and look at what we've done. We can't be happy. Yeah, we can be excited that we won, but we always got to be on to the next one, because as soon as because right now we're their target. They want to knock us off the top. So as soon as we relax, that's when they're gonna to jump on us, and so we have to be even more prepared. Every win, every time we get better and better, we have to have more and more attention, because that's when the other teams are ready to come, because other teams are looking at us now. So when we do well, we have to stay even focused even more on our target for the next game, the next practice, the next game, the next whatever it is.